My name is Ödül Öden. I'm regional manager for Europe and Americas from MKE company. Actually, we are demonstrating here one of the first system worldwide as a SHORAD deployed on a UGV platform with our Hungarian partner company. We made a partnership and we signed an MOU regarding this system. As you can see behind, today's biggest threats are the mini and micro drone threats. Some of them are cabled drones, some of them are electro-optic guided, and some of them are remotely controlled. And with the Tolga, very short-range air defense system, is focusing on neutralizing these new aerial threats. And for this purpose, we are using different subsystems to support this. It consists of some soft kill parameters. First, the detection is done by ISA radar, and after this, it gives this information to the command and control station, and in the first layer, it's neutralized with the jammer, with the soft kill. But some threats cannot be neutralized with the soft kill. That's why we are using our hard kill capabilities, as the MKE is one of the biggest ammunition and weapon producer worldwide. It is that we are implementing that different type of weapon systems starting from 12.7 millimeter, 20 millimeter, 35 millimeter. And in this UGV platform, it's one of the first samples worldwide that we deployed a SHORAD 20 millimeter anti-drone weapon system, which is using anti-drone fragmented ammunition against mini and micro drone threats. And in the last SAA exhibition in Turkey, we also launched new add-ons to the system, which is low altitude missile system, acoustic system, and laser weapon system. In the very near future, we are going to implement the magnetic weapon system as well as the new add-ons, because these new capabilities enhance the system effectiveness against a broader spectrum of aerial threats, starting from low altitude aerial threats up to bigger threats as well, such as tactical drones and manned helicopters or unmanned helicopter systems as well.
My name is Suat Karakush. I am one of the partners of HT Division ZRT. We have been operating in defense industry. Our base is in Hungary. We are specialized mainly for unmanned system, aerial and land. So we signed a kind of MOU with Makina Kimya from Turkey for the integration of their systems into our platform for the safety of European Union. What you have seen under the name of Tolga is air defense system. We are going to integrate with Makina Kimya in our factory in Hungary. We are very proud to be the partner of Makina Kimya Turkey, and soon we are going to present our new concept.